So I'm going to try to cut this coconut, but I don't know if it's gonna work. Okay guys, I give up. There's another opened one already, which I'm going to use because I seriously can't open this. Good morning guys, so today is the second day in Mauritius and I look very tired even though I slept like 11 hours because like I said in my previous vlog, I haven't slept for 2 nights and I'm a little bit jet lagged. It's like maybe 5 AM in London, whereas here is, and this is my London watch, here is 10. That's fine, I'm gonna wake up soon. And we've got from the neighbors these cute coconuts. So this is what we're gonna have for breakfast. Chili and no chili.
And avec piment.
Oui. Avec piment, yeah.
Avec piment.
Oui, oui. I don't even know what language that was that I was trying to speak, but it's fine. Avec chili. Ježiš Eliška, čo to je? Ja sa tu bojím byť, čo keď sú tu nejaké veľké one? Čo keď sú tu nejaké veľké pavúky, jak v Harry Potterovi? Okay guys, I had to stand up because in these rocks there's so many crabs and I really don't know what's that called in English. It's like a fish or like some type of animal that like sucks into your body and like sucks your blood, really. Oh my god. We just, well not just, but some time ago, rented a scooter for 3 days. So, I'm really wondering like who's gonna be driving the scooter. Today is a little bit cloudy, but it's nice, and I'm already burnt, like if you guys, yeah. Oh my god, guys, they're gonna have a wedding here. Isn't it like dream? It's like Santorini. There's another wedding, or at least like a wedding shooting. Oh, this is so cute. This is so cute. Dream come true. Wedding pictures in Mauritius. Got my money in my pocket. What is this flavor?
It's only tamarino.
What is tamarind? I never had
Tamarino. It's salt. It's like salt.
Salt?
Yes.
What is that?
No sweet.
It's not sweet.
Not sweet.
It's okay. I'll try.
The orange one is much better.
No, but orange, I can have orange everywhere, you know? Tamarino, I have no idea what that is. Oh, thank you. Merci beaucoup.
Merci.
Tamarino ice cream. Do you know what tamarino is? No. It's good. He said it's not gonna be good. And it's good. I like it. No milk, no egg. I was like, no milk, no egg. No, no milk, no egg. He was so nice. All these people in these like quick shops, you know, like fast food ice cream shops, are just so nice and friendly. Yum. We literally just jumped on the bus. Literally just jumped on the bus. So just a little update. We are on our way to another supermarket, not the one that we went to yesterday, because I need my tahini. And like, I seriously need it. And also like I need some other stuff like sunscreen, because as you can see, I am pretty burned. It says tahini is here. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? My life is complete. Oh my god, I'm saved. Now the question is if one is gonna be enough, because I eat a lot of tahini. Guess what I'm eating, guys? Oh my god. This feels like home. It's a tahini salad! Oh my god, including beetroot, because tahini and beetroot is the best combination. And if you haven't had it yet, oh my god, you're missing out. Oh my god. So good. Sharing is caring, especially tahini. Sharing tahini is caring. How is it? Also guys, on the bus I realized that the pancake, the Roti pancake, was not even £1, because it was like 20 rupee, the Mauritian rupee, or whatever the currency here is. Like in the UK it would be like £5, and that was like maybe 0.7. I don't know what the currency exchange rate exactly is, but what? I could eat like 3 rupees a day, breakfast, lunch, and dinner here. Would save so much money. Eating out, that's crazy.